Hello, little friends. I'm Apple, and I'm as round as a cheerful smile. Apple spells my name. Let's take a juicy bite into the alphabet fun together. Hi, sweethearts. I'm Orange, the citrusy ball of sunshine. O R A N G E is the magic combination to spell my name. Orange. Let's zest up our spelling adventure. Greetings, little pals. I'm Grape. A tiny burst of sweetness in a bunch. G R A P E is the secret code to spell my name. Grape. Ready to vine into the spelling fun? Hey, cuties. I'm Strawberry, a red gem with tiny seeds on my surface. F T R A W B E R R Y is how you spell my name. Strawberry. Let's pick the letters and create a barrelicious spelling masterpiece. Hey there, kiddos. I'm Banana, the bright and curved delight. B A N A N A is how you spell my name. Banana. Now, let's peel away into the world of letters.